Rise and Grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, this is the second repair on the 2007 Toyota Camry. Just did the valve cover gaskets. Now we're about to knock out the power steering pump. Brand new pump. Let's get it. Power steering fluid is low. Alright, we're gonna have to jack up this vehicle. Got that wheel off. Jack stand. Jack. And pump is right here. That's what we're getting to. See, it's been leaking. And we got to take that bed off first. So we're going to go up top and do that. Alright, this is how I'm getting that. That's the belt tensioner. Got a, what is that, a 14 mil. And I'm going to put this other one to get some leverage on it like that. And push down on it. It's going to release the tension. Just like that. We're up underneath the vehicle. This is what the pump's looking like. A bolt here. What we're going to do is remove this hose, this return hose. And then we got that bolt for the high pressure line. And we also have this sensor. You can see it right there. Unhook that. And then got the bolts holding the pump in. We got that hose off. Catch pan and wind blowing. Alright, we got 17 mil on that. Alright, next, what we have to do is move this pulley around. You can see the bolt right there. And that's what that looked like. 3 bolt holes. So you can get it from the front like that. So that's pretty much it. Line them up, get them out. That's how I'm getting that bolt out. I noticed the regular ratchet was too big, so I had to get something more slim that'll fit. I'm gonna go ahead and take these 2 10 mils out real quick so I can remove this and get better access. Alright, make it a lot better. A little bit more access. Alright, this is what I got going on. Try to get up in here so y'all can see. Alright, so you see I got a short socket 14 mils on that top bolt. It's only 2 bolts. I thought it was 3. My mistake. So those 3 holes. Alright. Now, we got the bottom one loose. Top one. This is how I'm breaking it free. Because it's so hard, it's so tight to get up in there. So I got breaker bar again. Took that breaker bar, got up in there, and that was able to break it free. It's like it's not really gonna be in there all the way, like it's gonna be hanging out kinda. That's what I noticed, but You'll be able to break it free with the breaker bar. Get a long one. Just like that. Turn it. Go back in and turn. So I was able to take that bolt out. That's the bottom one. And now we got the top one loose. Want to get your pry bar. Let's see, we got it loose. Spray some WD-40 on it. See, we got it in there. Some grooves. Okay, so this is what I found out. All right, so that's the top one, and the bottom, I already took it out, but you don't have to take it out. These actually stay in its position. When it loosens from there, you can pull it out just like that. But you would have to. Thing is, they're pretty much held in right here at these points. And I'll show you where they're held in at. Alright, so we got this bracket mounting. It's pretty much where the bolt goes in at. Meets that in the contact thread, same as the top. Alright. The bolt goes in just like that. The bolt sits in. And get that other one out of there. Push it through. Whoa. Alright, hang on. Going in reverse order. Put these bolts in here before we install. Just set them in. You see that red fluid? It's transmission fluid. So we got it in place. It's not tight, but the threads are touching, so it's holding up. Finger tightening a couple times. Alright, we in there. And we're gonna hook up the hoses, high pressure, return, and the wire harness for that sensor. It's your new gaskets for your high pressure line. Everything hooked up. Spray it down. Go ahead and put that belt on there. And we are done. Put that top it off with that fluid. Alright, that belt back on. That fluid gonna drop down when we start it up.